You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Hey guys, y'all have reached Regina TV, and today I am just playing in my hair. My hair is doing really good. It's growing and it is strong and it is thicker. So, because of that, last night I put one twist in the front of my hair, and when I took it down, I liked the way it looked. So I said, you know what, girl, you're going to be in the house today, organizing, taking care of business, and getting things the way you want them in the house. So just twist all your hair right now, and later on, take it down to see how it's going to look. So, guys, right now I am just wetting my hair. I'm not putting anything on it other than water, and I am doing a two-strand twist. That's all I'm doing. It's a two-strand twist. So I am going to do the rest of my hair like this, guys, and then I'll come back and let you see just how far we have gotten.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. Ah, 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 ah. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted on.
All right, guys, right here, I'm showing you this is where my hair angles down into a V in the back and it's getting lower. So I'm taking all of this into consideration on how I'm going to texturize my hair, where I'm going to texturize my hair. Will my hair be able to grab rods or rollers, or how it's just going to act, or am I just going to use either one or two of my concoctions or some other product on the back of my hair to get it to curl. So that's what I'm showing you here. See what I'm doing right here? This is the first concoction we ever made, guys. And I'm tell you, I love that stuff. I do. It is perfect for the shorter parts of our hair. And it has transformed our hair from being so rough right there. In the mood 24/7, 16/11, so you're making it, but I'ma just stop for a moment. All right, guys. Well, our hair is set, and we're just going to see what it is going to do. I didn't put any more product on it. It was just water I was adding to it, and we did the two-strand twist. Now, I have come in my room because it's time to reorganize my room. So I'm just rolling up my workout mat and getting things in order in my room because ever since we decorated this room, guys, I have really been enjoying it. Now, that white outfit that you see, hanging up there on the door, I got that from Burlington yesterday. I believe it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, and it was $24.99 on sale. So I am going to try to put that on today so you'll see what it looked like so you can go get yours if that's something, that you want. Um, it's a thick, like knitted material. It's real nice. I'm surprised it was only $24.99, guys. Organized. I need to get back organized, and that is what I am going to do today. Because we have decluttered our home in 2024 and seen a lot of stuff that we were buying unnecessarily and we were saving money with that, there's a lot of hacks also that I want to show you guys. That's just simple hacks that will save you money, um, or things that you can do until you find out if this is something you really want to do. You know, have you ever went and spent some money on something and you said, oh, I really didn't need it like that? So I'll show you a simple hack right now. Let me show you. All right, guys, we are in my bedroom, and a while ago, I told you guys that I wanted to extend my curtains from wall to wall, right? But instead of going to buy a brand new curtain rod, I took the plunger stick from a plunger. And right where your rods separate, I just wanted to see if it was going to fit in there, and it fit perfectly. I separated my rod, I placed the plunger stick in between it right there, right in the middle. And now guys, I can extend my curtains all the way from wall to wall like I wanted to. And I don't have to go buy a new curtain rod and have to store this old one around the house. And I love it. Look at that. I love it. Anyway, so guys, when I got up this morning, I seen that one twist that I had put in my hair last night, I seen that it stretched my hair. So I said, since today is your down day, just see what your hair would look like if you twist your hair. Don't touch it, just be around the house doing your little housework and everything. And when you get ready to take it down, if you take it down today, you'll know if you need to texturize your hair, if you want to use rods, if you want to use rollers, if you just want to use your concoctions, the 2 concoctions we made to wear your style. Because really, to tell you the truth, guys, I am loving my hair. I am loving the texture of it now. My hair took to the concoctions that we made, and it has softened up my curl, and I'm really liking, how my hair is acting. I really am. Now guys, I told you, although I like change, I do know that I do not like to see a lot of stuff sitting around me. I don't like it. That's it. That's all. I don't like it. Now, I wrestled with a picture that I had on this wall. I had a picture on this wall, and a nail is still in that wall right there. Because I have bought several pictures for this wall, and just nothing is turning out right. So I am going to leave that nail right there and then see the scale of other pictures that I have around my house to see if I need just a big picture there, or something of that nature. We'll see if that nail can hold a mirror. But I have a lot of things I got to do, guys. I am going to get my house straight, and I'm going to get everything back in order. And this right here is hanging up. I got this from, guys, I got this from Burlington yesterday. Got this from Burlington yesterday. It is a pretty 2-piece like sweater set, and I was impressed because the knit on there is real thick, right? It's real thick. And they had it on sale, guys. This 2-piece, they put it on sale for $24.99. I always do this to you guys. They put it on sale for $24.99. I like it. I have some beautiful t-shirts to go underneath it if I want to switch it up with a color. Let's say green and cream, whatever. But I'm trying to see if I want it. So I'm gonna try that on today. If I don't want it, then I'll take it back. The girl said I can bring it back. Also, I'm trying to figure if I need it, because like I said, we have already went through our closet. We got everything together in our closet. If we get something, we give something away. But guys, we're not going to be just wasting money, switching things out. If we have enough clothes, we have enough clothes. Okay, guys, well, this is the way the suit look. The pants is a medium. The top is a medium. This is the way the suit look. And I like it. It's comfortable. It's real comfortable. What y'all think? Now, like I said, it's cold outside, and I had this little white hat. Y'all know that we twisted our hair earlier this morning just to, give it length in the top and see what it's going to do. But I have this hat here that I've been having for a minute. And I can always put this on over that to match that. Y'all know that we went and got some tops from Walmart that was like $1 that I said you could put on and it'll cover your stomach and everything like that, or just give you another punch of color if you want to match your shoes or your purse or anything like that. So those shirts are in the other room, but I did show you guys those shirts. And I have some white shoes here. I need to clean them. They're not bad, but I have some white shoes here. I got these from Ross 2 years ago. So let's just throw these on. Yeah. So yeah, I was in Burlington. I seen them. I seen this outfit. It was hanging up, but to my surprise, it was $24. It was on sale. I like it. I can be warm in this. I can dress this up, dress this down. And yeah, I like it. So now I guess I can take the rest of the tags off, because I didn't want to take the tags off, guys, if I wasn't going to keep it. So, I can take the tags off and stuff, because I am going to keep it. Okay? So I am about to do some runs. This is something nice and comfortable to throw on to do my runs, guys. And yeah. So if you want this outfit, like I said, I got it like maybe 2 days ago from Burlington's. And I like it. And I'm going to get out of here. All right, guys, that is it. This is the outfit of the day, and I got it from Burlington. So, guys, thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. You have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Show your appreciation by thumbing up, leaving a comment. And if you're new, hitting the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Come on back and visit me, and I'll see you in the next video.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do?